Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have my last Christmas project today, and this is Christmas Tag Series number 10. I was inspired by creative Chelsey here on YouTube when she shared her birthday gift tags on one of her videos, so I made a Christmas version. I already went ahead and cut my purple and red cardstock to 3 by 4 inches. I also cut white cardstock to go on the back and cut it the same size. The white cardstock is to make my tags sturdy. I'm going to dry emboss the purple and red cardstock using Texture Fades Holiday Knit and Holiday Knit number 2 embossing folders. I will adhere the embossed cardstock and white cardstock together using liquid glue, and I'm using my bone folder to press the paper to make sure they are adhered well. I will cut the extra paper that are hanging off the edges with my paper trimmer, and it's only tiny extra paper, but it bothers me when they are not the same size. I'm going to use Paper Tree Ink Friendship Jar Holiday Fillers stamp set for the to and from, and Happy Holiday Sentiment. I already mounted my sentiments on one side of my Misty, and I'm inking them up with VersaFine Onyx Black ink. Those stamps that you see on the other side of my Misty, we're going to use that later. I will use this paper pad here, and this one is the Let It Snow 6x6 paper pad that I got from Tuesday Morning a few years ago, and I'm going to use 3 pattern papers from this paper pad. I will also use this Recollections 12 by 12 paper pad, and I'm going to use 1 pattern from that paper pad. I will cut my pattern papers to 2 1/8 by 3 1/4 inches, and I'm just using my Fiskars trimmer here to cut the pattern papers. For the last layer of paper for my tags, I'm going to cut my white cardstock to 1 7/8 by 3 inches. For the stamps that you saw on the lid of my Misty earlier, that one is from Mama Elephant Brush Strokes stamp set. So I already mounted those images that I'm going to use, and I inked them up with Kaleidocolor Tomato Vine ink, and then I'm just gonna stamp them on the white cardstock. This next stamp set that I'm going to use is from Pinka Main Winter Portraits stamp set. So I'm going to use all of this images from the stamp set. I inked them up with the same color, VersaFine Onyx Black ink, and stamped them on this ivory cardstock that I have in my stash. Now the stamp set have coordinating die set, but I don't have that die set right now, so I just use one of my oval stitch oval die set that I have, and just find the right size for these images. After the stamping and die cutting is done, I'm going to mark where I want my hole, and then I will stock my three different sizes of papers, and then I'm going to start punching, and I'm using my crocodile big bite here, and this puncher punch like butter. I cut my red and white twine to 8 inches, and for me that's enough length for my tags. I will add the twine on the tags through the hole and tie a simple knot. And the last thing to do is adhere my die cut images. I added foam tape on the back of all of the images and uh, adhering them on the stamp background. I'm just finishing this last ones here, and I think we are done with our tags. And here are my completed tags. Super simple and easy to mass produce. I hope you like today's Christmas tags, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.